In its race to catch up with Starlink, Amazon is buying all the rocket launches it can for its upcoming Project Kuiper satellite constellation. Hi, I'm Chris with the Mobile Internet Resource Center, here to give you an update on Project Kuiper. This is Amazon's massive satellite constellation that aims to be an alternative or competitor to SpaceX's Starlink, providing fast, affordable, low latency, low Earth orbit satellite internet coverage for most of the globe in the years ahead. Now, SpaceX has a huge head start with Starlink, but, well, Amazon has infinitely deep pockets, and they've been saying from the beginning, we've been covering Kuiper for years, that they're intending to bet big and invest heavily on Kuiper. And they've recently given a bit of an update on where they're at with this. They now have over 1,000 employees working on Project Kuiper. They are building their first 2 prototype satellites, which they say will launch before the end of 2022. And then, well, assuming the prototypes go well, they want to start bringing their constellation online. That's going to require lots and lots and lots of launches. There's going to be thousands of Kuiper satellites to be able to provide full coverage, and they've got to get them into orbit somehow fast to start competing with SpaceX. And, well, there's not a lot of options. There's not a lot of companies that provide launch services other than SpaceX. And it looks like Amazon has gone out and bought basically all the global launch capacity to all the rockets launching in the years ahead to be devoted to Kuiper. They went out and just spent $10 billion plus for the largest commercial launch contracts ever to buy up 83 launches over the next 5 years. So they're going to have 38 launches on United Launch Alliance's Vulcan Centaur. They've got 18 launches booked with Europe's Ariane 6. And then 12 launches with Blue Origin. This is the rocket company also owned by Jeff Bezos. That is their upcoming New Glenn, with an option to add on 15 additional launches with the New Glenn. So that's a lot of launches. And we're not quite sure how many Kuiper satellites will be per launch, but that's going to get them a long way towards getting Kuiper into orbit. But there is one big catch to keep in mind. None of those 3 rocket systems have actually launched their first rockets yet. They haven't debuted. They're all new designs. So they're all slated to come online in the next year, 2 or 3. But any delays in those new rockets could mean delays in Kuiper. And, with Russia no longer doing commercial rocket launches and, Amazon clearly not wanting to buy launches from SpaceX, they are dependent on these other launch providers. So it'd be really interesting to see how quickly this $10 billion gets spent, how quickly Amazon's able to get Kuiper into orbit, and, once it's there, will it really be a worthwhile alternative to Starlink? What other interesting angles will it have to offer? It's definitely an exciting space race to watch. It is definitely Starlink way in the lead right now, but you cannot count Amazon and their infinite billions of dollars that they seem willing to spend out. So keep watching, and we'll keep you updated as we learn more.
These videos are brought to you by our premium members, our mobile internet aficionados. They make it possible for us to track this news and create these videos. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, or better yet, consider becoming a member yourself.